Good morning from the Congo in Africa. Oh no, wait. No, we're in Washington. That's right. Okay, the rainforest in Washington. Yeah, that's where we're at. It smells so good here. I'm so thankful that I got this place last night. It was the last one. Because I honestly would not have felt comfortable going and driving up a forest road by myself. I don't know why. Something's just shifted in me, or that just doesn't sound like something I want to do alone. Last year, I had no problem with it. It looks like somebody was biting off of that. That's not good. Don't eat mushrooms in the rainforest. Another one. Come on, this way. I think that couple might be leaving. Oh my goodness, if they leave, I am snagging that spot. Every time I come here, that's the spot that I want because it's just perfect. It overlooks the river. It's away from the road. It's got plenty of space, pull through. It's got shade and a little bit of sun. It's a perfect spot. So I'm gonna keep an eye on them. I'm gonna have everything, you know, packed and ready to go just in case I need to move pretty quickly, because I would have to, it's a one-way road, so I'd have to circle the park and it has to be just timed perfectly. There is one spot next to me on the other side that I can also take. Just like that, we've got it. I need to back it in more properly. They were still here when I got here, so I just backed it in right here. She doesn't want to go. What's wrong, Roxy? You want to go this way? Come here. And there's a trail that leads directly down to the river. She doesn't go far. Good thing I stopped right here. Okay, Roxy. Yes, this is much better. You ready to go back inside? She is. Oh yeah, this is much better. It's so spacious. And you have the option of sun or shade. And there's another trail right here. It probably leads down to the river. Yeah, this is good. And you're not super close to anyone. All right, let's back this baby up and block this entrance. That way I could put my chair out here, put our bed out here, set up, and do activities. There's enough room for activities. People are sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet. Come on, baby. I am so happy. This is a perfect spot. It feels really good. I'm level. I can put all my slides out. I'm sure I'll get a little bit of sun to power my solar, so I don't need to run the generator. And we're good. We are good. Yeah, this is... Oh, I couldn't ask for more. I've always wanted this spot. Wow, I'm so happy. Like last night worked out where I got the last spot, and now this worked out where I get the prime spot. Oh my goodness. Huh. Thank God I didn't stay out in that forest road. So this couple's leaving, so I won't have any immediate neighbors. Another person just left, so today's Sunday. I guess that's the day when everybody starts to head back to real life. I mean, I'm very fortunate that this is my real life, so I don't have to go anywhere. And I don't know if I mentioned what river this is. Down below, this is part of the Solduc, S-O-L-D-U-C river, and it parallels along like Lake Crescent, and so it kind of just winds around for miles and miles, and it gets wider and more narrow, and right here it's just really quiet. It's just a little, it's wide, but it's shallow. We'll go down there. I'll show you. She likes when I open up the slides and take her big bed out right here. And she kind of knows, like, okay, we're going to be staying. And she gets really comfortable. And she's always on guard. She's always watching that door. And her nose is always on high alert for anyone. Like when people walk by, she'll let me know. The only time she turns everything off is after she's had dinner in the evening. And then she is so exhausted from being on high alert all day long that she's out. She's out like a light, and there is no waking her up. So that little trail from our camp leads to this little observation tower, and it also has a trail that offshoots down to the river. Waiting for Miss Roxy. Come on, baby. Good girl. I really want to go down there. I've been down there before, through the other way. It's pretty quiet here. Everybody's leaving. Look at this huge trunk. They obviously cut down the tree, or it fell, and now a new tree is growing from it. It's so skinny. And another offshoot here, but this one right here. And growing from that huge trunk. It's funny how nature just kind of regenerates itself if you just leave it alone. Come on, baby. Come on. I can't pull her. It's got to be her idea. I keep putting my sunglasses on out of habit, and when I take them off, it looks so much better. Let's see if my vicious dog hears these guys walking by and protects me. So there's got those kids, right? Yeah, she's not doing anything. Oh, she sees them. She's doing... Oh, there's the viciousness. Now she's exhausted. She's like, that took it out of me. She's all panting. Good girl, Roxy. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. You protecting Mama. Yeah. You hear her panting. Oh my goodness. Let's put you inside and put the fan on you and put your cape on. Can you pretend to go to sleep so we can say goodbye?